Hi, Avery here, and in this video I'll be demonstrating the differences between creating a user account with Digi-Key electronics and Mouser electronics, and how to create a bill of materials with each site. In a usability study of Digi-Key's and Mouser's websites, both sites were found to be equally user-friendly, but with Digi-Key's strengths focused towards engineers, and Mouser's towards hobbyist retail. Let's start by looking at Digi-Key. Pulling up Digi-Key's homepage, the registration button can be found in the upper right corner. Selecting this option gives us a drop-down menu from which we can select to either register or log in with an existing account. If we select Register, the page will load for a few seconds, then display the fields for account creation. As I've already created an account, I'm going to return to the home page and instead select Login from the menu. Logging in with the account created for my usability study, we see that a warning is displayed on the My Digi-Key page, saying that the account is not activated and we will have limited functionality. It should be noted that there is no message displayed telling us how to activate the account, and no activation email has been sent either. Logging out, and then logging back in with the personal profile, the full My Digi-Key page can be seen and the account has no restrictions. Now let's look at Mouser. From Mouser's homepage, a Register button is located in the top right of the page. Like Digi-Key, selecting this button shows the registration form, which does not include fields for an address or phone number, unlike Digi-Key, which requires them in a second registration step. If we go back to the home page and log in with an existing account, we are taken back to the Mouser homepage. If we want to add an address or phone number to the account information, we must first go to the My Account page, then select the Edit options for the profile. Now, while Mouser has a more refined user interface, the difference between the intended users for each site can clearly be seen if we try to create a bill of materials or BOM. With Mouser, BOMs are located under the Order History tab, then the Saved BOMs tab. This does not make much sense, as a BOM is not the same as a previous order, and in this case has yet to even be created. From the Saved BOMs page, we can then opt to create a new BOM. Now let's compare this process to creating a BOM with Digi-Key. Starting from the My Digi-Key page, the BOM Manager can be found in the left-hand menu. Selecting the BOM Manager, we can instantly create a new BOM by importing a spreadsheet or by clicking the New BOM link. As you can see, BOM creation with Digi-Key is much more efficient despite their more utilitarian interface. Overall, Mouser's strengths lie in its well-designed user interface, while Digi-Key excels with search tasks and part management. Thank you for watching, and please comment if you have any questions regarding my usability testing.